Here we are discussing a question from the chapter complex number. Question is very interesting, very important. Here question is, show that 1 plus I into 3 plus I upon 3 minus I minus 1 minus I into 3 minus I upon 3 plus I is equal to 14 by 5I. So let us solve this question. We have to simplify left hand side here. Here left hand side is 1 plus I into 3 plus I upon 3 minus I minus 1 minus I into 3 minus I upon 3 plus I. Here first of all we'll multiply these two factors of this numerator. So multiplying 3 plus I with 1 will get 3 plus I only. So this is 3 plus I and plus multiplying 3 plus I with I into 3 is 3I and I into I, that is I square, and you know I square is equal to minus 1 divided by 3 minus I minus, similarly we will multiply these two factors of numerator. So 1 into 3 minus I is 3 minus I, 3 minus I. Now multiplying with minus I into 3 is minus 3I, and minus into minus is plus, and I into I, that is I square, which is equal to minus 1 divided by 3 plus I. Here 3 minus 1 is 2 plus I plus 3I is 4I divided by 3 minus I minus 3 minus 1 is 2 and minus I minus 3I is minus 4I divided by 3 plus I. Now we will take LCM of these two denominators, because here these two complex numbers are conjugate to each other. Conjugate means sign of imaginary part is opposite. This is minus sign, this is plus sign. So these are conjugate to each other. In this case, simply we have to take LCM of these two denominators. So here LCM will be 3 minus I into 3 plus I. This numerator will be multiplied with 3 plus I. So 2 plus 4I into 3 plus I minus this numerator will be multiplied with 3 minus I. So 2 minus 4I into 3 minus I. Interesting? Simple? Okay. Now let us multiply these two factors here. 2 into 3 plus I, 2 into 3 plus I plus 4I into 3 plus I. Similarly here minus 2 into 3 minus I, 2 into 3 minus I, and this is minus into minus, that is plus. So plus 4I into 3 minus I. And here denominator is 3 minus I into 3 plus I. So using the formula A minus B into A plus B, which will be equal to A square minus B square. So this is 3 square minus of I square. Now let us proceed. Simplifying it, 2 into this much, 6 plus 2I. Similarly here 12I, I into I square is minus 1. So this is minus 4. Similarly, let us simplify here. Minus 2 into 3 is minus 6. Minus 2 into minus I is plus 2i. 4i into 3 is 12i. And I into I, that is I square, is equal to minus 1, and this minus plus 1, so simply plus 4 here. And in denominator, this is 9, and I square is minus 1, one more minus is here, so this is plus 1, correct? So now let us see here, this minus 4 and plus 4 will be cancelled out. This plus 6 and minus 6 will be cancelled out. So we are getting a 2i plus 12i, that is 14i, plus 2i, 16i, plus 12i, that is 28i. So this is 28i divided by 10. Simplify, 2 5 ja 10, 14 2 ja 28. So this is equal to 14 by 5 into I. This is right hand side. So we have proved here. This question has been solved. Very interesting question. Hope you have understood it. So we need some practice of solving this type of problem. Questions are important for competitive examinations also. So remain in touch with these videos. We have to see some more important questions, and please share this video with your friends also. Wish you all the best.